found your 30 days of decluttering, and I
Mhm.
joined that. And at the end of the 30 days, I'm no longer embarrassed to have people come in. I'll say that. Every room in my house looks good on the surface.
Oh,
Um,
yes.
as long as you don't open a cabinet or a closet or a drawer, it looks good, which to me, that's just huge compared to where I was. I mean, that's just huge.
The things that you say, Sarah, on all the videos are just awe-inspiring. They like the light bulb goes on. The it's life inspiring. I mean, I too have a traumatic past, and so some of the clutter is holding on to things. Some of the clutter is someone gave it to me in memory of. There's a lot of different reasons for clutter, and some of it is like scared to actually let go and like, what do I do if I have a clean house? Well, life can go on, but I'm not there yet, but I know I can get there.
The other day, the UPS man came with a new microwave.
Mhm.
And I didn't know exactly when he was coming, and he knocked on the door, and I was able to open the door and let him bring that package inside. Now that was huge. Huge, because every other time when I know the UPS man is coming, he'll leave it on the front step. They have a key to the building, and I'm in a security building, and he comes up here and leaves it. But that was a big package. It was huge. And to be able to open the door and not be embarrassed, priceless.
You've got particular topics and a general design, but the way we can do the decluttering, it's individualized to our needs and our circumstances.
And the first one I did was my coffee table.
Okay.
And that was there's a concept that you have called do it for 10 minutes. Pick a project, do it for 10 minutes, set a timer. And boy, when that timer went off, it's like, really? That seemed like an hour. How could that only be 10 minutes? I did my coffee table, and I was so elated. And that taught me so much. Just one small thing it can teach so much.
I couldn't have done this without you, and I swear to God, I thank God for you, because you changed my life, and I know I'm not the only one who feels like that.